Welcome back, Lincoln, to another episode of Food 411. We are doing macaroni and cheese now, which is one of my favorite foods of all time. So I'm really loving this series. I have Ian Bridge with me today.
Hey guys, how's it going?
Thanks for being here.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Do you like macaroni and cheese?
It's one of my favorites too. Yeah.
You really can't go wrong with it, in my
can't.
opinion. It's been hard to score these because I just want to give them all like such high scores. So
For sure.
It's been a little hard. So today we are judging on consistency of the noodle, cheesiness, flavorfulness of the sauce, and presentation. And we have 3 rules for this tasting. Do you know the rules by chance, or any of the rules?
Yep, so we're only taking one bite.
Yes.
It has to be delivered by Metro Dining Delivery. They're sponsoring this Food 411 series.
Yep.
And then also there's no protein on the macaron.
Correct. Yep. No chicken or pork or sausage or anything like that. So it's an even playing field for all the macaroni and cheese. Let's go ahead and open our box here and we can take a look.
Oh, it looks good.
We are eating Red Fox macaroni and cheese here. So just opening up, this was one portion split in half. So it's a good amount that you get. It looks kind of just like your run-of-the-mill macaroni and cheese. There wasn't any toppings or any crumbles or any like melted cheese or sprinkled cheese or anything like that. So it just kind of looks like your, I don't know, run-of-the-mill macaroni and cheese, but it looks good though.
Yeah, it's got a really nice color and it looks really creamy too.
Yeah. The sauce looks like it has a pretty good consistency to it.
Mm-hmm.
Probably could be a little bit more sauce for me. The noodles are maybe just done a little bit more than I would like, but not terrible by any means. What do you think of the noodles?
Well, I'll know more when I take a bite.
Taste it? Yeah.
Yeah, but they look okay.
Yeah.
I agree though, I always like a little bit more sauce, but I mean, at least it's consistent.
Yeah, agreed.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to tasting this. How about you?
Me too. Looks good.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
I'm not a fan.
It's not my favorite. I do like the texture. I actually think that the noodles are about perfect for me.
Yeah, they're not bad.
But there's something just different about the sauce.
Yeah,
I'm not sure exactly what that taste is.
I don't know. I can't quite place it either.
For me, I also just like a little bit of salt and pepper too.
Yeah.
Personally, but there, I don't know. There's just something that's different about the sauce. It's not my favorite.
Yeah, I'm trying to place the ingredient in the sauce that's throwing it off. I don't know. Are you ready to rate the macaroni and cheese?
Yeah. So
Okay.
Are we rating on three different things, or just rating like one number out of 10?
One overall score.
Okay.
That covers everything from 1 to 10.
Okay, sounds good. For me, it wasn't my favorite, but it wasn't the worst thing I've ever eaten. I would give it probably a 5.5.
I'm gonna go with a 4.5.
Okay.
It just wasn't totally my cup of tea, but a 4.5, and you're at 5.5. So how about we split the difference out of 5?
Yeah, I think 5 is fair.
I think 5 is fair as well.
Okay.
Okay. Well, that wraps us up. Red Fox, it gets a 5.0 for their macaroni and cheese. Thank you, Ian, for being here with me today.
Yeah, of course. Thanks for having me.
I appreciate your input and your tasting. And thank you to Metro Dining and Delivery for delivering this macaroni and cheese to us and for helping us out with this series. We really appreciate it.
Thank you.
See y'all next time. Bye.